Neighbor.
Yes.
No vex, I beg you. My babe, we just enter new for the compound. So my babe say make I share cake for all the neighbors for the compound.
Cake?
I just say make I give you this one. Now I don't see you. Manager for our new neighbor too.
Wow, she for no bother.
I don't tell him this thing. This girl like to do notice me too much. Babe!
Yes?
Jesus.
Come.
Jesus.
Oh my God.
See, you don't see him now. Say now they tell you. Every time they like make announcement where you go. He say make we no bother.
Neighbor, are you sure?
No.
Are you sure?
Tell them
No.
go keep
No
yourself. Go chop
problem.
on this evening. No wahala no.
Jesus! Jesus.
What's that? If you look at me from a distance, you would think I don't have money. But when you come closer, you will truly see that I don't have money. But this I won't tell before. I just say you get money now.
Today na Philip birthday. Maybe like happy birthday. Hello Philip.
Hello, Bidis.
Happy birthday. Na me.
Alpha.
Why you go block the other line, sir?
No, another line with
Because you block the other line, I just collect person this one at put for phone. I say make I call you.
Oh,
How you doing?
I did fine.
Long life and prosperity, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
I just say make I call you, wish you, and you no one invite me for the party now.
No party,
Oh, you know they do party today.
no money,
No food, no drink.
no,
Nothing.
nothing. We just thank God for life.
Okay, but you there house?
I'm
Other
there
thing.
house.
Oh, you there house?
At the house.
I feel come.
Come now. Come around.
And from my house to your house, you not too far like that. I just 1,000 naira. I feel carry me come.
Oh, I don't owe money like this.
I feel borrow from my neighbor. Then if I dey come back, I feel collect from you. Give her. Neighbor,
I no get to. I beg. No there.
send that one come in now.
Master, the car be this. You are progressing. Master, I'm coming. Accident. It can never be reversed. Accident.
Chai!
Well done. You're welcome. Master, congrats. You know, you have been my very good uncle, and you have tried for me and my family. I decided to buy you a car.
Jesus!
Congratulations, Master.
Sorry, yo.
I know that's my car be this. When they talk things on time now.
Limau.
You are worthy.
I don't call my
Sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes, how can I help you?
Please, do you live here?
Yes, I live there. Before I start, you can see I won't go wash.
Sorry, sir. We bring you the good news.
Okay, you're born again.
For the SK. Sorry, sir. Do you know Jesus?
I know Jesus.
Have
You
you
get the fear of God.
Brother, stop!
Oh, Billy.
Please. Sorry, sir. You've heard about him before.
Yes.
What did he say according to John 3:16?
John 3:16.
Yes, read.
My guy, John 3:16.
Yes.
For God so loved the world.
Yes.
You hear what I tell you?
Brother SK.
Continue.
He gave his only begotten son. Whosoever believe.
Whosoever believe.
You dey hear? Believe. Now I want to go underline that please.
Brother,
Whosoever believe in him have everlasting life. You dey hear?
Brother
What
SK,
beat you?
sorry, sir. Brother SK.
I want beat you. I want to beat you. Which kind of talk with that one?
You dey point my
Sorry,
face.
I dey notice him. I know him. I know this guy very
Brother
well.
SK.
I know him very well.
Don't
He's
unleash
fond
this
of doing this
anointing.
thing. That's why I go the compound when he dey stay before I park come here. I dey introduce somebody to the crypto. My currency. I dey tell the person say my currency we are reliable.
Continue.
Gift card and your BTC.
Now they fast forward put, they tell the person saying get vendor. You get vendor before?
But I escaped.
And then introduce somebody to my e-currency, say trade your BTC and your gift card. You dey fast forward that day. You know me before. I don't get vendor. I don't get my own vendor. You dey fast forward though. They don't bring the gospel come meet you. The gospel must be taken by force.
Yes.
Go first I put for your body if you don't know. And you must believe Christ. Me. Yes.
Now by force.
Yes, now by force. Yes. That force.
What should I even do yourself? Hey, Mr. Man, Mr. Man.
now.
They follow you talk, you know one year. I dare you like the city I be your mate. I want you to pay the show one alone. They want Jesus. See me, oh.
Now you carry fast. Then they preach for you. You go
They
calm
follow you
down.
talk, you calm down.
Yeah, you come. You go come on Sunday. I be no come.
I don't hear.
You go come, no be I don't hear.
I want to see you for the church on Sunday. You dey yes so.
I'll break your head. No come.
You gotta trust man. Man, hard down. Go.
Say the eyes they pay me and they waiting with this.
Who is there? Come inside, come inside. Hey, come in. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Hey, honey, Jacobo, right? Yes. Hey, Jacobo, come and sit down. Thank you, sir. Honey, this is the houseboy. The one I've been telling you about. Yes. Good evening, man. Yeah, that was Sister Ella. You know, things in this house is too much. This one will, you know.
Okay. Let me call her. Ella! Ella! Ma?
What be this?
Ella, this is Yakoboy. You'll be helping out with the chores, okay? Yes. Yakoboy, this is Ella. You'll be helping out with the chores too. Yes.
Yeah, good boy, you. And do something very, very good here. You know, we have a lot of dirty things here. Yes, be hardworking.
Ella, get him something to do.
Yeah, get him something.
Say the eyes they pay me and they waiting with this.
Let's go inside. Yanko boy, yeah? Yes. I and my wife are going inside to do, you know. Yeah. It's on heat. Yes, let's go. You can go to the house girl's room, eh? Call her. Her name is Ella. Can go and do 1 or 2 with her to enjoy yourself. Why are you looking at me that way? As if you don't know what I'm talking about. Poor boy.
Everybody won. Everybody won. Everybody won.
Yes, sir.
That's what they do for you.
He shot you.
No.
He shot you.
Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that.
No.
He shot you.
Not be juju be that.
Oh, bro, cool. Scheiße,
Not be juju be that.
What do you want to study in the university?
I want to become a politician, Dad. I want to work in the power sector.
Okay, you want to work in the power. You want to work in the
Or probably work in the bank.
or work in a somebody say power bank. Say power bank.
But sir, why are we saying power bank? Yes.
Don't worry, when you graduate, you will understand. What do you want to be in future?
Actually, sir, I want to become an audiologist.
What's that?
I think audiologists are doctors that treat the ear.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Audiologists are doctors that treat the what?
Yeah.
They treat
And
the
they're
ear.
also the best masterpiece in our country, Nigeria.
Oh, they're the best master.
Peace.
Somebody say yeah, peace.
Earpiece.
Say yeah, peace.
But sir, why are we saying earpiece?
Don't worry, when you graduate, and I go know what all I go say. Somebody say yeah, peace. When you